We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive and expert-driven evaluation of the Befayoo Stuffed Animal Storage Toy Organizer, a patented corner stuffed animal holder that promises to transform cluttered bedrooms, playrooms, and nurseries into organized, inviting spaces. If you own this product, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. For those interested, the product link is in the description using it supports our channel. The Befayoo Corner Stuffed Animal Storage Organizer stands out immediately for its innovative approach to a common problem, the overwhelming accumulation of plush toys in children's spaces. Designed to fit snugly into a 90-degree corner, this organizer is both a practical and aesthetic solution for families struggling to keep stuffed animals off the floor and out of the way. Its length is adjustable up to 75 inches, with a maximum capacity of 97 liters, making it suitable for collections ranging from a handful of cherished plushies to a veritable mountain of stuffed animals. The product's ability to hold a significant volume of toys is consistently praised by users, who report that it easily accommodates everything from tiny Beanie Boos to oversized teddy bears. One of the most notable features of the Befayoo organizer is its space-saving triangular design. By utilizing corner space that often goes unused, it frees up valuable floor and bed area, instantly making rooms feel more spacious and tidy. This is especially appreciated in smaller bedrooms or playrooms where every square foot counts. The vertical, wall-mounted installation not only maximizes storage, but also keeps toys within easy reach for children, encouraging them to tidy up after themselves and fostering good organizational habits from an early age. The construction quality of the Befayoo organizer is another highlight. Crafted from high-quality thick board and reinforced with sturdy materials such as metal, nylon, and ABS, the organizer is designed for durability and long-term use. Users consistently report that the product feels robust and reliable, even when filled to capacity with heavy or large stuffed animals. The elastic ropes are engineered to prevent toys from falling out, addressing a common complaint with cheaper hammock-style nets where plushies often spill onto the floor. This thoughtful design element ensures that the organizer remains functional and visually appealing, even as it is used daily by energetic children. Assembly and installation are straightforward, with the product arriving complete with all necessary hardware and clear, easy-to-follow instructions. Many reviewers note that the process can be completed quickly, often by a single adult using basic tools like a screwdriver and drill. The inclusion of wall anchors and screws adds to the sense of security, ensuring that the organizer remains firmly attached even when heavily loaded. Some users mention that the installation may be easier with two people, particularly when positioning the organizer and adjusting the tension of the ropes, but solo assembly is entirely feasible. Aesthetically, the Befayoo organizer receives high marks for its modern, clean look. The white finish and minimalist design allow it to blend seamlessly with a variety of room decors, from colorful children's spaces to more subdued, sophisticated bedrooms. Several adult users have even purchased the organizer for their own use, appreciating its grown-up appearance and the way it elevates the look of the room compared to traditional net hammocks. The organizer doubles as a display, turning a collection of stuffed animals into a playful yet organized focal point that children and adults alike can enjoy. In terms of usability, the organizer's mesh design allows for easy visibility and access. Children can quickly spot and retrieve their favorite plushies without having to dig through a pile or remove other toys. The adjustable ropes provide flexibility in accommodating different sizes and shapes of stuffed animals, and users appreciate the ability to tailor the tension to their specific needs. This customization ensures that the organizer remains neat and that toys are securely held in place, minimizing the risk of sagging or unsightly bulges. Despite its many strengths, the Befayoo organizer is not without its drawbacks. A minority of users report that over time, the net can begin to sag or that toys may pop out, particularly if the organizer is overloaded or if the ropes are not properly adjusted. Some find that when one plushie is removed, others may come out with it, leading to a less tidy appearance than the promotional images suggest. However, these issues are generally considered minor and are often outweighed by the overall benefits of increased storage capacity and improved room organization. Another potential limitation is the need for wall mounting, which may not be suitable for all living situations, such as rental properties where drilling into walls is discouraged. However, for most users, the ease of installation and the included hardware make this a non-issue. The product's lightweight construction also means that it does not place undue strain on the wall, further reducing concerns about damage or long-term wear. One of the most frequently cited advantages of the Befayoo organizer is its versatility. While it is marketed primarily as a solution for stuffed animal storage, many users have found creative alternative uses, such as organizing blankets, pillows, or other soft items. The generous capacity and adjustable design make it adaptable to a wide range of storage needs, and its unobtrusive appearance ensures that it does not dominate the room or clash with existing decor. Customer satisfaction is reflected in the product's strong ratings, with an average of 4.4 out of 5 stars from over 1,200 reviews. Users consistently describe the organizer as a game changer for managing toy clutter, praising its combination of functionality, durability, and style. Parents in particular appreciate the way it encourages children to participate in cleanup and organization, transforming what was once a daily struggle into a more manageable and even enjoyable task. In summary, the Befayoo stuffed animal storage toy organizer excels in multiple areas. Its large capacity, space-saving corner design, sturdy construction, and modern aesthetic make it a standout choice for families seeking to declutter and organize children's spaces. The ease of installation and flexibility in accommodating different types and sizes of toys further enhance its appeal. While minor issues with sagging or toy displacement may occur, these are generally easy to address through proper adjustment and do not detract significantly from the product's overall effectiveness. For anyone tired of stepping on plushies or constantly picking up after children, this organizer offers a practical, stylish, and affordable solution. It not only reclaims valuable floor space, but also adds a decorative touch to the room, turning a collection of stuffed animals into an organized and visually pleasing display. The positive feedback from users of all ages, including adults who have adopted the organizer for their own use, speaks to its broad appeal and versatility. If you are considering the Befayoo stuffed animal storage toy organizer, rest assured that it is a well-reviewed, thoughtfully designed product that delivers on its promises. Its combination of capacity, durability, and ease of use make it a worthwhile investment for any household. Don't forget to check the description for the product link and support the channel if you decide to purchase. And if you already own this organizer, please share your experience in the comments to help others make the best choice for their home.